Hey everybody, Ian here. I recently made an order with GameStop and thought it'd be fun to open it up on camera, take a look and see what we got. I did order some used games and hopefully some new games. The bundle that I bought was the Resident Evil bundle for Xbox One, and I'm hopeful that those are new, but there was some discussion on Slick Deals that it wasn't new. So we'll take a look, see, with the used games that I know are going to be used, what kind of condition they're going to be in, if we're going to get a case and a booklet and all that good stuff, and see what condition the case is in, if it's the real case. So I believe I got a total of about 9 games. One of them came in a little bubble mailer, which looks like it's by itself. So that's one game. And then I'm a little bit worried because the rest of the games came in this little box. Alright, we'll go ahead and open up the bubble mailer first. Alright. Whew. Bad start. So the first in the bubble mailer we've got Resident Evil 6, but it is pre-owned and the corner is just completely destroyed. And then you've got the disc in there. The disc itself looks like it's in good shape. But yeah, I'm a little not too happy with that case. Came with a case, but it's damaged. Yeah, that's not in good shape. Alright, on to the next. Let's open up this box. Alright, so first game we've got in the box, we do have in a case the Wii U Pokken Tournament. Well, that's actually the disc right in the case. It even has the Wii U little manual, so that's pretty good. Disc has some dust on it, but other than that, it looks to be in really good condition. So that's actually a big win right there. We got the case. The case is in good condition. That's a good start. All right. So next we're getting into some GameStop cases. We've got James Bond Legends for the Xbox 360. Same thing, just some dust or little particles on there. Ooh, this one looks like this one might have been resurfaced. This one does not look great. Alright, we've got another GameStop case. This is Just Dance 2015. So we actually, with the quarantine, broke out the Kinect on the Xbox 360. I've been playing some of the games in there. A lot of fun. Looks in really good condition, actually. Oh, and that case is busted at the bottom. It's got a little piece that just comes right off. Alright, next we've got Army of Two, Xbox 360. That's another GameStop case. Disc is in really good condition. Alright, we've got some real cases. Perfect. So we've got Resident Evil Remake for Xbox One. This case looks to be in good condition. A little dirty on the back, but that should just clean up. And the disc itself is in really good condition. After that, we got the Resident Evil 4 Remake, Xbox One. Same thing, we got a case. And the disc is in really good condition. And last, yep, that's it. We've got Resident Evil 5. Same thing, Xbox One case. And the disc is in really good condition. Alright, so we had 4 Xbox One, 3 Xbox 360, and 1 Wii U. The Xbox One and the Wii U are all in real cases, and then our Xbox 360 are the ones that are in the GameStop cases. I mean, I'm actually really happy that they all at least had cases of some sort, and really that the majority of them, you know, 5 versus 3 were in their original cases. I'd say that was a great buy. Everything, all the discs itself were in great condition. You got a couple boxes with some damage, couple cases with some damage, but all in all, I would say with what I spent for this bundle, I think the Resident Evil, the 4 games were $25, and then the other 4 games, it was buy 2, get 2. So I ended up paying about $45, 50 bucks after tax and shipping for 8 games. So I'd say that's a pretty good haul. And with this in mind, I think I would probably, if they had deals like this again, I would say I would order from GameStop again and take my chances, because I think I did pretty well. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.